Hello everybody, I want to show you what I have going on. I'm about to fill both of these monotubs, but before I do, I want to show you something I got because I wasn't able to get clear lids, so I got a remote control now. I have 3 different levels of light I can use. Inside, I got these covered with plastic so water doesn't get in there. So I got that figured out. As you guys saw this morning, these are really taking off. And so is the Cabo Rojo. It's a little bit behind, but that's okay. Here's the substrate I'm going to use to mix in with this grain bag. There becomes a certain point where it seems like the mycelium stops growing in a certain place, and at that point it is fine to add to substrate. There is a higher risk of contamination, but if everything's sealed up, then everything should be good. But anyway, that's all I got. Thanks for your time. Bye.